This right here is one of the most meaningful pieces we have. It's our Me and You Forever stainless steel band, and it's such a beautiful way to say forever without saying a word. It features a clean, sleek two-line design, beautifully etched with Me and You Forever on the surface, and finished with a single high-shine zirconia stone for just the right touch of sparkle. Made with solid stainless steel, it's made to last. It will never fade, never tarnish, and won't turn your finger green, no matter how often you wear it. It's perfect for everyday love, promise rings, anniversaries, or just something special between you and your person. Available in sizes 5 through 10, so there's a perfect fit for everyone. To grab yours, just scan the Cash App QR code on the screen, or shop safely online at www.JewelryMeTV.com. Make sure to include your ring size, full name, and shipping address in the payment notes when you pay. Shipping is free anywhere in the US, and you'll have it in just 7 to 10 business days. Love never fades, and neither will this ring. Ring.